Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to view the discontinued item on Temu. So first thing first, there is not a direct filter of discontinued item, but there is a similar feature that you can look out for. For instance, if this is a product that you simply discontinued and you also mentioned in your wish list and you saved it, you might be able to view it later. For that, select the You section, select wish list, and then it will be visible here. And you can also select Notify Me if the item were once out of stock. If you go for Google and type in how to see discontinued item, you will also find the same answer, that there is not a specific discontinued filter, but you can find them by checking your wish list or cart if you have added them into your wish list or your cart. And then you can also furthermore search for it by using the app's photo search on pictures of items that you are looking for. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.